Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing that you've made money while you were sleeping. No boss, no office, 9 to 5 grind, just passive income flowing into your account. Sounds like a dream, right? But it's real, and it's called affiliate marketing. The internet is packed with people trying to sell you courses on how to get rich with affiliate marketing. But here's the truth: most people fail. They get stuck in outdated strategies, promote the wrong products, or never see a single commission. Today, I'm breaking it all down for you, the real way to make money with affiliate marketing. No fluff, just proven methods that can turn this into a full-time income. Stay with me until the end, because I'm going to reveal the biggest mistakes that stop people from making money and how you can avoid them. Let me ask you, have you ever tried affiliate marketing before? Maybe you signed up for an affiliate program, dropped a few links on social media, and nothing happened? Or maybe you've seen success stories online and wondered, why isn't this working for me? You're not alone. The biggest issue is that most people treat affiliate marketing like a lottery ticket instead of a business. They pick random products, post links without a strategy, and hope for the best. That's why over 90% of beginners never make a single dollar. But if you follow the right steps, you can break through that barrier, and I'm going to show you exactly how. 1. The truth about affiliate marketing: separating hype from reality. Most gurus make it sound like affiliate marketing is a money printing machine. The reality? It takes strategy, effort, and patience. The key is understanding that affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a real business model that requires work upfront but can generate passive income over time. For example, people who earn 6 or 7 figures with affiliate marketing didn't get there by posting a few links. They built trust, provided value, and optimized their strategies. You need to treat this like a business, not a hobby. But here's the good news: once you set it up correctly, it can generate income for years. 2. How affiliate marketing works: the simple yet powerful business model. Affiliate marketing is referring people to a product or service and earning a commission when they make a purchase. It's that simple. But the magic happens when you use the right platforms and strategies to scale your earnings. The process is straightforward. 1. Find a product that aligns with your niche. 2. Get your unique affiliate link. 3. Drive targeted traffic to that link. 4. Earn commissions when someone buys through your link. Some of the best platforms for affiliate programs include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, ShareASale, and individual brand partnerships. But picking the right product is only the first step. Let's dive deeper. 3. Choosing the right niche, the hidden formula for maximum profits. Choosing the right niche is like picking the foundation for your house. If it's weak, everything else crumbles. Many beginners go for broad, competitive niches like fitness or make money online. Instead, you need to niche down, find a smaller, passionate audience with money to spend. For example, instead of fitness, focus on home workouts for busy professionals. Instead of personal finance, go for budgeting tips for single moms. This makes it easier to attract the right audience and sell products that genuinely solve their problems. 4. Finding the best affiliate programs, high-paying versus low-quality offers. Not all affiliate programs are created equal. Some offer high commissions, while others pay pennies. The secret? Find programs that offer recurring commissions, high payouts, or digital products with big profit margins. For instance, software products like ClickFunnels, Shopify, and hosting services offer recurring commissions, meaning you get paid month after month. Digital products like online courses or ebooks often have higher commission rates, 30-70%, compared to physical products that may pay only 3-5%. 5. The secret to getting traffic, free versus paid strategies. No traffic equals no sales. You need to master the free organic methods, like SEO, social media, or YouTube, or paid advertising, like Google and Facebook ads. For example, YouTube is one of the best free traffic sources. Create content that ranks for search terms like best budget laptops, and include affiliate links in the description. Over time, these videos work for you 24/7. On the other hand, paid ads can accelerate results. If you know your numbers such as how much you earn per sale, you can reinvest profits into ads and scale your income fast. 6. The psychology of selling. How to convince people to buy without being sleazy. People don't like being sold to, but they love buying things that solve their problems. The key is to focus on value first, sales second. Instead of saying, buy this, show them why they need it. For instance, if you're promoting a budgeting app, don't just say, this app is great. Instead, tell a story. John was drowning in debt until he found this budgeting app that helped him save $500 a month. Now he's debt-free. Stories sell better than features. 7. Email marketing and automation, turning one click into lifetime commissions. Most people won't buy the first time they see your offer. That's why building an email list is crucial. With tools like ConvertKit or GetResponse, you can capture emails and follow up with subscribers automatically, increasing conversions over time. For example, a simple 5-day email sequence can warm up leads. Day 1. Share a valuable tip. Day 2. Address common struggles. Day 3. Provide a success story. Day 4. Introduce the product. Day 5. Urgency, limited time bonus. This strategy can turn one-time visitors into long-term customers. Now that you have the roadmap, the question is, will you take action? The biggest mistake people make is overthinking instead of doing. Each day you wait is a day you're missing potential income. Even if you start small, the most important thing is to start. Affiliate marketing isn't about quick wins, it's about building a long-term income stream. Think about this. One affiliate sale per day at $50 per sale equals $1,500 per month. Scale that to 5 sales per day? That's $7,500 per month. It's possible if you stay consistent. If this video gave you real value, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below which strategy you're going to try first. I want to hear from you. Also, check out the description and pinned comment for exclusive recommendations. And since you stayed until the end, YouTube has picked the best video for you to watch next. It's on screen right now. Click it and keep learning how to build your online income.